The teen accused of the deadly crash that killed 6 people in January staying in custody for now. He faced a juvenile judge this afternoon in the Palm Beach County Courthouse, and WPTV's Matt Cesney live with more on what happened in court. Matt?
Yeah, Michael, this was Noah Gale's first court appearance, and he did it virtually over Zoom. Now, we were in the courtroom with the judge this afternoon, and under the judge's orders, because it is juvenile court, we were not allowed to show Gale's face. The juvenile judge sat alone at her bench as everyone involved in the hearing and even spectators joined on a Zoom call.
Gale, case number 2022.
18-year-old Noah Gale sat next to his attorney, at times fighting back tears but staying silent, as his lawyer and a prosecutor debated whether to allow Gale to stay in custody at home. The teen charged with causing the deaths of 6 people when prosecutors say he was driving at 151 miles an hour when he hit an SUV on 441.
Since the night of this horrible accident, Your Honor, he's had a very difficult time dealing with the tragedy.
Attorney Elizabeth Parker says the teen has suffered with numerous medical conditions and has been on several medications. And a new development came after his first night in custody.
Noah has had suicidal ideations that he shared with Dr. Alexander. We received a call today from, or Noah's mom did, from the facility, and they've expressed concerns that Noah is suicidal.
Family members of the 6 victims were also on the call and had their say. Klarna Mark spoke for her uncle, who lost his wife.
My uncle essentially just wants the court to understand how distraught he is by this situation. It's essentially broken his family.
Lindy Lewis spoke about losing her mother and making a tearful plea to the judge.
It's been very, very hard, and Your Honor, honestly, I think the defendant should be in jail and not at home. We can't see our families now, and why should he?
All right, again, the judge decided that Noah Gale will stay in juvenile detention for now, and it's worth noting that Gale was 17 at the time of the crash, which is why juvenile court is handling this right now. Prosecutors, though, have indicated that they eventually may move to try him as an adult. We're live in West Palm Beach. Matt Cesney, WPTV, News Channel 5.